The girl who married Clarence. Dun 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 dun. Do. What a wonderful day to walk on the street. Oh my gosh, what is that being of beauty? Hello, I am Gacha Mike. No, not you. I don't like you. Go away. Forever. I'm just kidding. This being of absolute beauty is beautiful. Is that your mom? Yes. She's crazy. I think she needs a mental hospital. Agreed. Very much. Ha ha ha. It is me, the evil Bijou Mike. Wahaha. Disappears. Will you marry me, Clarence? Clarence says yes in Clarence language. Yay, I'm married now! Mom, what about Dad? What do you mean? This is your dad now? Wahaha, it is me, the evil Bijou Mike. I will kill Clarence with powers so that Gacha Mike does not get demonetized. Dead. He's dead. No, my husband! I loved him so much! Why are you here? I want to be. That is why I am here. Mwahaha, evil Bijou Mike. I am so sad. Now everybody will explode. Boom, 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 explosion, boom, sound, boom, no, boom, dead, boom, dead, potato. I'm too cute. I just can't die. I am also still alive. Mwahaha. Yes.